Welcome to another episode of AgTech Digest, your go-to source for the latest in agricultural technology. In today's episode, we're diving into the latest developments shaping the future of agriculture. We'll explore Israeli agriculture market dynamics and capital concentration patterns, examine satellite thermal imaging technology and AI-driven analytics expansion, and look at protein-based biocontrol production partnerships and insect probiotic development. We'll also cover fungicide launches for disease management, crop research funding for herbicide resistance, precision spraying technology for turf management, agricultural drone manufacturing expansion, nutrient recovery innovations, and fresh produce supply chain platforms. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. This week's analysis examines Israeli agriculture through observable market signals, funding rounds, partnerships, product launches, and expansion activity, rather than stated strategy. Despite structural constraints such as limited arable land, water scarcity, and labor pressure, the sector remains highly export-oriented and closely tied to applied innovation. Crop protection continues to dominate activity, while precision agriculture attracts the largest share of capital, reflecting a market focused on commercialization, regulatory alignment, and international deployment rather than early-stage experimentation. Capital flows remain concentrated in later-stage companies, with relatively limited seed activity and a strong emphasis on scale-up readiness. Expansion efforts are largely directed toward Europe, North America, and Asia, underscoring Israel's reliance on external markets for growth. At the same time, government subsidies and close coordination between public institutions and private companies continue to accelerate on-farm technology adoption, particularly where solutions deliver measurable efficiency, yield stability, or labor reduction. Together, the data points to a mature, execution-driven ecosystem, one where innovation is shaped as much by export requirements, regulatory realities, and global risk considerations as by technological capability itself. Taken from this week's news, Hydrosat secured $60 million to expand its thermal satellite constellation and AI-driven analytics, supporting agriculture, water management, and government use cases. Transitioning to biologicals, Biotalis entered a strategic partnership with 21st Bio to improve large-scale production of its agrobody protein-based crop protection platform. In crop protection developments, Corteva introduced Telbec Pro, a dual-mode fungicide targeting fusarium head blight and late-season diseases in wheat for the 2026 growing season. Moving to research funding, more than $4.5 million was awarded to University of Saskatchewan-led crop research projects, with additional funding dedicated to herbicide resistance research. Regarding biological partnerships, Phileo by Lesafri and Nasicomo formed a multi-year research and development partnership to develop probiotic solutions for industrial insect production systems. In precision agriculture, ABZ Innovation closed an $8.2 million funding round to expand manufacturing and deployment of heavy-duty drones for agricultural and industrial applications. Additionally, NP Harvest was selected for up to €1.2 million in phased funding to advance nitrogen and phosphorus recovery from liquid waste streams. Continuing with technology launches, EcoRobotics launched Alba, an AI-powered ultra-precision sprayer designed for targeted weed management in professional turf environments. In greenhouse technology, Biome Delta partnered with Quantified Sensor Technology to deploy integrated wireless sensor systems for greenhouse climate and fertigation management. Regarding biostimulants, Redox's mainstay Psi received TFI certification, validating its silicon-based biostimulant formulation and manufacturing standards. Finally, Grove secured $5 million in seed funding to expand its vertically coordinated fresh produce supply chain, connecting farms, markets, and households. Looking ahead to upcoming industry events, mark your calendars for Agri-Expo International Exhibition and Conference for Agriculture Supplies. Following that, Future of Food Summit will take place on February 10th, 2026 in London, United Kingdom. Then we have Indoor AgCon from February 11th to February 12th, 2026 in Las Vegas, United States. That wraps up today's episode of AgTech Digest. We explored the latest developments in agricultural technology, from Israeli agriculture's execution-driven ecosystem and export-oriented innovation to satellite technology expansion and biological crop protection partnerships. It's clear that the AgTech sector is making strides in sustainability and innovation. With significant funding rounds including Hydrosat's $60 million raise, ABZ Innovation's $8.2 million round, and Grove's $5 million seed funding, and impactful partnerships between Biotalis and 21st Bio, Phileo by Lisafre and Nasicomo, and Biome Delta and quantified sensor technology, the future of agriculture is shaping up to be smarter and more sustainable than ever before. Thanks for joining me. I'm Anna, signing off. Stay inspired and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.